Very nice 3-bed 2.5-bath townhome in great condition. This end unit has a great floor plan with plenty of sunlight throughout. Your IK is a nice size which overlooks your dining room and then flows into the family room with a fireplace. You also have a beautiful lake view, patio and storage. Upstairs are 2 generous-sized bedrooms with the master bed having a private master bath and a walk-in closet. The 3rd bedroom is perfect for a toddler and/or office. The bathrooms are in very good condition too. The roof is approximately 2 years old and the HVAC along with HWH are approximately 7 years old. There's also a 1-car detached garage which is good for additional storage. This is a perfect location located in Smithville, close to shopping and fine dining. Your HOA fee includes 2 clubhouses,